Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today we will discuss loop control statements in Python. Basically there are three types of loop control statements in Python and they are break statement, continue statement and pass statement. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Today we will discuss on loop control statements in Python. Okay, using loops in Python automates and repeats the tasks in an efficient manner. But sometimes there may arise a condition where we want to exit the loop completely or skip an iteration or ignore that condition. Okay, these can be done by loop control statements. Okay, in Python loop control statements change execution from its normal sequence. In Python there are three loop control statements and they are break statement, continue statement and pass statement. Okay, we can use break, continue and pass statements in Python in both loops, means in while loop also and also for loop. Okay, so at first I will discuss on break statement. Okay, the break statement is used to terminate the loop immediately in which it is present without running any remaining code in the loop. Okay, if the break statement is present in the nested loop, then it terminates only those loops which contains break statement. Okay, so go for an example. Suppose write for and then write I in and then take a range function and put a value 5. Okay, and put a colon. After that put a condition if I equal 3 and put a colon and then put this break statement. Okay, and after write print, this print statement for the for loop is concerned. Okay, and after that we are just write here hello and give a space and close this double quote and comma and just write I. Okay, and after that save the file, go to the save options and just go E drive and then just go to the Python example and put a name example01.py. Okay, and press enter and just go to the command prompt and just type Python example01.py and press enter. So what happened? At first get hello 0. Why? Because I value start from 0 because the range given 5 means it goes 0 to 4. So the I value at first 0. So check 0 equal 3 is a false. That's why the break statement is not executed here. Okay, so that's why it just print hello and 0. After that I value is 1. So check 1 equal 3, again false, then print hello 1. When I value is 2, again it's false, that's why print hello 2. And when I value is 3, now what happened? Check 3 equal 3, now it's enter within the if block or if part and execute this break statement, and now this break statement terminates the loop without running the remaining code in the for loop. Okay, now the another example which is for continue statement. Okay, the continue statement forces the loop to continue or execute the next iteration. Okay, when the continue statement is executed in the loop, the code inside the loop following the continue statement will be skipped and the next iteration of the loop will begin. Okay, so go for an example. Suppose write for and then write I in range and provide a value 5. Okay, then check a condition if I equal 3 and then put this continue statement. Okay, and after put a print statement which is the part of this for loop and just write print and here provide hello and provide a space, double quote and comma and provide I. Okay, now save the file, go to the file and save the file. Suppose the name of the file is example02.py. Okay, and go to the command prompt and then type python example02.py and press enter. So here what happened, at first the I value is 0 because the range is 5, means it's go 0 to 4. So I value is 0, so check the condition, false, it's just print hello 0. Okay, after I value is 1, hello 1 will be print because this condition is false. 1 equal 3 is false, that's why print hello 1. And when I value is 2, again the condition is false, and that's why it's print only hello 2. But when I value is 3, now the condition is true. Now it just execute this continue statement, and this continue statement skips the remaining code and go to the next iteration. Means then again I value will be 4, and then check 4 equal 3 is false, that's why it's print hello 4. Now the next part of loop control statement is pass statement. Okay, as the name suggests, pass statement simply does nothing. This pass statement in Python is used when a statement is required syntactically, but we do not want any code to execute. It is like null operation, okay, as nothing will happen when it executes. Pass statement can also be used for writing empty loops. Pass statement is also used for empty control statement, functions and classes. Okay, so go for an example. Suppose write for and write I in and provide again a range function and put a value 5. Then check a condition, if I equal 4, then just provide this pass statement, and then and within this if block we write another statement, print, and just type here in pass block. Okay, and after close this parenthesis, and now the print statement for the for loop is concerned, just put here hello and provide a space, double quote, and provide I. Okay, now save the file, put a name example03.py and go to the prompt and just write python example03.py. So what happened? So we got this result. So at first I value is 0, so 0 equal 4 is false, so just skip these statements within the if block is concerned. So go to the for statement hello 0, then I value is 1, again false, print hello 1, again I value is 2, again false, just print hello 2, and then I value is 3, again check false, print hello 3. When I value is 4, so what happened is just pass that, and it also print, means it's a true and is just pass and is just do nothing, and also print in pass block. Okay, and after that it also print hello 4. Okay, and after the for is terminate automatically because the sequence have no more elements is there. Okay, actually by using pass statement in this program, we notice that the program runs exactly as it would if there were no conditional statement in the program. Means if this condition is not provided there, so also it will print in that way the result is concerned. Okay, means the result we get in also in that way. Okay, the pass statement tells the program to disregard that condition and continue to run the program as usual. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye bye.